Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Marco Rodriguez, aka B-Main RC, and I'm back here with another product review, and just give you guys a little update what's been going on with me and the racing program and the channel. So, you know, B-Main, where you been? Been quiet, haven't been racing much. Man, life's been lifing. It happens, you know, we have responsibilities, but you know, we'll be out back there soon, whether even if it's for a practice day, just to kind of get the itch. But today we're doing another product spotlight from Ultimate Racing here. Today I am retiring this old pit bag. This pit bag has been with me for quite a few years, even down in Texas, and we're going to upgrade it. So package just came in today, and we did get this from Dynamic Performance RC, which is happens to be a partner of Beach RC. They did not have it in stock, so I did go ahead and get it through Dynamic Performance. Super fast shipping, good communication, highly recommended. So go ahead. Boom! Look at that. Now it's definitely smaller footprint than this, right? So you can just see it's about maybe a quarter the size less, which is fine because this is it served its purpose well. It's a little bulky at times. And I really like the way this looks when it came out, so kind of picking up eventually all of the Ultimate Racing bags to make my life a little easier. But definitely thought it was time to upgrade the pit bag. This is a Father's Day gift from my son Joseph. Thanks, Joe. Appreciate it. Miss you, bud. Lost my pit buddy. He's in New Mexico. You know, living life. So yeah, thank you. So right off the bat, kind of just open it up and expand it. Alright, so not bad. Alright, so pretty much here's the inside. Got a fuel, looks like a fuel bottle holder compartment. You got some spaces here for your screwdrivers, maybe a glow plug wrench. You have even more spaces here for more screwdrivers. You can have your hex drivers. Put a whole bunch of stuff in here. I'm sure I'm going to find a whole bunch of different uses for this. This collapses down. Yep, there we go. Alright, so those collapse down and give it a rigidness to the bag. All right. And then on the bottom, which is pretty cool, it's got some rubber feet on there, which is pretty dope. Nice little handle. It's kind of, that's pretty cool. So this side will be for the starter box, and this side for all of your miscellaneous stuff. So looks like you're gonna hold possibly one, maybe two fuel bottles. We'll see. But yeah, let me show you what I usually carry in my pit bag. So we have the Ultimate Racing tuning screwdriver, 4mm flathead. Pro tip, or not so pro tip, when you get this, when you purchase it, it's kind of recessed into the handle here. So you're just going to loosen up this Allen key, Allen screw, pull it out. There's a kind of like a stop right there. I put some Loctite on there and tighten it down so it makes it just a little bit longer and easier to get to your low speed and your idle. So we'll just put that there for now. Let's see. got my Protect temp gun, and we can put that probably right there. Let's see. What else we got? Got a fuel bottle, so that'll fit there. Then I have another fuel bottle. Let's see if that'll fit over here. No. I'm not sure what this one will be for. So I'll definitely go there. I could just get another one in there. Pretty sure that's not what it's for. But we'll figure it out. Right? We'll look at the picture. What else? Got my fuel gun, which I think what this is for here on the side. Pretty sure something like that. If I remember correctly. Again, you can correct me down below in the comments. For now, we'll just put that in there. Let's see. I have my Ultimate Racing engine after-run oil. I always keep this in my pit bag. That way I know where it is. So I don't have to worry about it too much. Okay, I can go in there. Also have some MRP Texas T traction formula. It's good stuff. Trust me. I'll just shove that in there for now. Got my heat gun. I have a corded one, and then I also have a cordless one. Kind of just depends where I go. So maybe we can put this here, possibly. Yep, I think that's more of a, for me that's more of a better option there. So wheel nut wrench. If anybody wants to donate a Techno one so I can retire this TLR one, nothing against them, I just want to switch over because I like the ones that have a hole in the middle, so you can put like your Allen right through while holding your wheel hex to loosen, so you can get the drive shaft out. So we'll put that there for now. What do we got inside here? Yeah, much better. Let's see, what else? Very important. Glow plug wrench. And we'll put that one on the other side. Let's see what else we got here. Glow plug igniter, duh. Come on, guys. I'll put that one there. What else do I got? I keep some spare Air Max air filters. Kind of just keep that on that side there. Gloves. I never leave home without them, and they're really good to have, especially when you have to marshal a nitro main. These are lifesavers, trust me. Because sometimes you're just not paying attention, and you burn yourself. And well, these will prevent that. So let's see what else. I got a whole bunch of stuff in here, man. Whole bunch. In here, I keep all my glow plugs. See? So if you have any of these laying around, or even a Reds one, I know Reds makes a specific glow plug case, but you know. I don't run reds. So again, nothing against them. I had this laying around from the few J&T servos that I have, so no brainer there. So we can also put that somewhere in there for now. And then of course, starter box. I have been getting away with one box, 2 cars. It's a little bit of a pain. I can link the video the way I have it set up so that you can run one starter box with 2 Tekno cars, Truggy and Buggy, and it just gets cumbersome, and sometimes it's a pain for sometimes it's just a pain for my pit guys. So I will be purchasing an ultimate starter box to most likely for truck, and then this will be also replaced as well. It served me well, but this one can go in here. It has its own special compartment on this side, and that just goes in there. Let's put that on the side for now. So let's do that. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, right? So so we got here on the front, right? And I'll clean this up a little bit better after the video, and then got that. And honestly, it's a lot lighter than this was, because this alone, even empty, has a little bit of weight to it. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty awesome. I really like the styling, the look. It's made of a durable material, so it's definitely going to last a long time. It should probably hold up to our vigors of nitro racing. You can get one again at beachrc.com or dynamicperformancerc.com. Definitely check them out. So as far as the race program, nothing's changed. It's really hot right now here in the Northeast. I'd rather not catch a heat stroke, so looking shortly at a practice day for now, and then we'll see possibly in September a few races, and definitely plan to hit up LCRC for one race before the end of their season, so to get that one off my bucket list. So if you have any questions regarding this, any of the companies that I use for my program, feel free to drop a question down below in the comments. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one.